Welcome guys. On today's video I'm going to show you how to know if your account has an issue or a restriction on Facebook. So to know if your account have a restriction on Facebook, click on your profile icon and then you notice this area just below the edit button. You click on the three-dotted icon right there, and then you are going to see where it says profile status. You click on the profile status right here. You can notice if you have any issue, it is going to show you like a caution icon right here, and then it's going to show you the information. So I do not have any issue. You can see clearly right here it says no restriction. If there is any restriction, you are going to see it, and if you click on this area, you can notice everything is okay. So the group and everything I own are all okay. So if you have any restriction on your own, you can see them. And if you click on the history, you can see your past restriction. The only restriction I have is 2021. I think I posted something on the comment section and I got a restriction. You can see clearly right here, it says you cannot post or comment. So after that period, it was lifted. So guys, this is actually how to see if you have a restriction on your account. I'm also going to do this on mobile so that you can also learn how to do it on mobile. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.